Hey guys, had a lot of people ask me questions, fair amount of people ask me questions about my truck that's in the background of one of the other videos, some stuff like that. So I've actually been putting together a video of that pickup. However, I'm not done with it. Out of town for a few days, and I gotta shoot some more footage on it. But I did go ahead and shoot the legit early 90s, early 2000s straight pipe startup. It has a 4-inch exhaust on it, and I just did cold start on it, and figure y'all might like it. If you've been doing this internet stuff as long as I have, the old cold start video should keep you good to go until I can get the rest of the content together. Alright, hope y'all had as much fun with that as I did. If you subscribe to our channel, you can go ahead and get the notification when that next video pops up. I'll probably got 1 or 2 other videos to finish before I get that one finished, but should be good to go here shortly. Thank you for your time. Have a blessed evening.